Okay, you can see it's pretty good now, right? Let's see. Okay, go ahead.
As I was saying, so as I was saying, brothers and sisters, so okay. So as I was saying, brothers and sisters, thank you so much. I want you to understand that the PFM Euro Tour still continues. Right now, we are in the street of Madrid for some days now. And on the 23rd of this month, we are going to meet our mega comrade Officer Clement Ironomigo Edegbe is right here. He has been on Euro Tour for the past weeks. And on the 23rd, he's going to be addressing people about the motive of PFM. As Willa said, the PFM has not come to fight the ordinary people, the common people in the street. But all we have come to talk to is about the corruption. It's what it is being fight for, the police brutality. That is what it's called enough is enough. So thank you, and I give more respect to my president, Clement Ironomigo Edegbe, and also more kudos to my PRO of the PFM worldwide. I say thank you. And my admin, Mr. Fred, for all the work he has been doing, but I say thank you so much. For PFM for life, thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you very much. As you all know, we are in the street of Mali. We are letting people to know all what we are about. PFM today, worldwide, have made a very big impact to the whole world about our movement, and people that have been negatively thinking and talking about PFM negatively, they will be convinced today that our motive of this forming the movement, our mega company, the founder of this movement, president, that we are not here to hurt anybody. We are here to create awareness for the masses to know the difference between good and bad. And as we all know, on Saturday, 23rd of this month, we are holding a conference to everybody to come in, and whatever question, whatever you have, any way around to ask, you can come in and ask your question of your choice, and we will get the answer to it. And this movement, as you all know, we are here to not for individual, not only in Nigeria alone. This is worldwide movement, and nobody should take it as if this is from those states or whichever any state in Nigeria. We are all worldwide movements. The whole world know about it. And if you are here in Madrid, wherever you are in Spain, you want to be a part of this movement, you can call any of the admin number and contact us and be a part of this great movement. And as you come in, your life will never remain the same. Thank you, and God bless you. And you are highly welcome to the great movement. I thank you.
Thank you. Yes, brothers and sisters, this is Mega Comrade, live from Madrid, Spain. We are in a little noisy place, you know what I mean? Sometimes we gotta shake this small, shake it up, you know? Shake it up and see how it's gonna go, you know? So we try to do it outside, but the network was giving a headache, you know? So we try to come inside, you know? First of all, what I was gonna talk about, I'm not gonna talk about it today, I'm gonna talk about it tomorrow. So I want you to tune in by 9 o'clock tomorrow evening. So I'm going to be broadcasting live from my hotel. So you can see everything, you know what I'm saying? I want you to tune in tomorrow. However, please, if you're in Italy and you're in between Bologna and Milano, please go to any train station. I'm looking for my bag. I am still begging anyone that can help me with that bag. So I will make an example today. When Fred, he lost his Just Card. He lost his PFN card. He almost ran mad, right? Then I was asking him, what are you running? He said, back card. I said, you see how it is? Not to talk of me. A whole luggage, you know, passport, everything. You know what I'm saying? That is, you know. I want to quickly, I watched this video this morning when my PRO came. He also told me about good luck. Right. Good luck, my brother. Like I told you, I'm a man of my word. I love you. I love what you are doing. I cannot tell you how you're going to do it, how you're going to improve. I didn't start it for you. You started on your own. And my secretary have called me. He told me he has spoken to you, that you volunteered to buy my ticket from Brussels to Amsterdam, which is about 2 hours or 1 hour. So couldn't go and buy my ticket from US to Amsterdam. From Brussels to Amsterdam is not up to 10 euro. Abi, from Brussels, Antwerp. From Antwerp to Amsterdam. It's not by car, it's not even up to 10 euro. Prophet, good luck, Adegboye, right? So, you promise a ticket, you're going to buy the ticket. You cannot run away from it. As you know, Mega Comrade always honest. I have accepted the ticket, and you're going to give me the ticket. So that is the fact. And even though we are not fighting the same way you are fighting, I am purely for freedom, for the poor citizen. I don't care about the rich people. I am the president of the poor citizen worldwide. I only care about the poor. So we are different in that way. And you say something about I got to make up with everybody. No one wants drama. But you can see my little brother. I don't want to call his name because I keep making him. I told you from day one. He want to inject himself into European talk, and he has succeeded. Instead of them to just come out and join me, let's fight against corruption. Let's fight against oppression. Let's fight against injustice. Look at many people dying in the Mediterranean Sea. No one is talking about it. I've been talking about it from day one. Among the 90% of Africans dying in the Mediterranean Sea are Nigerians. Out of that 90%, 80% are Edo.
My people.
My people. They chase us from home. Now we are going to abroad. They are killing us on our way. You know what I'm saying? Nobody like drama. I don't want drama. I'm a peaceful man. It's just that when you give me one headache, I give you triple. So don't say what you cannot do. That is me. So if my little brother would have come to me and said, he has my number. My number is on everywhere. You cannot beat me in the public and you'll be begging me inside. No. You have to go to the public, let them know I have beaten my brother. I have settled with my brother. Is that not how it's supposed to be? So you cannot tell me, oh, Iranomigo this, Iranomigo that. I'm not going to respond to anybody. I'm going to continue with my fight. The fight I'm fighting is against the poor and the rich. You know what I'm saying? If you can't help many people in this bar right now, I tell you, before you can't billionaire here, it will be zero. True or false? Zero. Zero. So we are majority. Those who want to support governor, go ahead. Who want to support senator, go ahead. Who want to support the useless, disgraced Commissioner Gwandu, the Commissioner Gwandu, no one bag. Yeah, we get here, but I'm not going to the commissioner. So, if you want to support Commissioner of Police, you are free. I'm not a criminal. It's only criminal afraid of police. It's only criminal praising police. If you go to Nigeria, I don't see out of 180 million Nigerian citizens, 17 million will tell you police are bad. 17 million, 170 million will tell you Nigerian police are bad. So if you are among of them that will say Nigerian police are good, you join their gang. Okay, let me quickly address this. I have a lot of things to say, but tomorrow I'm going to say it. How can you be a security provider? You have no security experience. You don't have a security license. When people come from Spain, they come from Holland, they come from Canada, then you will come out and say, I'm going to give them my boys to protect them. They will pay you 1 million because they want to live. After pay you 1 million, then you will send another gang to go and attack them. Then later you will say, oh, because you pay no VIP security. My brother. As according to Rubabi, my brother. So this is things we have to really talk about. You have no security experience. You are not a law enforcement officer. You are not in any political. How can you be providing a security? What kind of security are you providing when you are not inside security agency? You use one right hand and collect money. You use left hand and say you are protected. So, my bro, I don't want to talk much. You know what I'm saying? I'm on my own business. For about my junior brother, you all know who I'm talking about. I don't want to give him more famous because I think he's famous already. But I'm the one making him famous. Let me tell you, if you would have just come to Italy and come, where are we going to meet? I will tell you, come over. Stop everything you have done, everything you are doing. Let's work together to make Edo State and Nigeria safe. That's all. But you wasn't willing to do that. You were sponsored by government. You come there, the plan to assassinate me backfire. Then now you are not saying it's going to continue to backfire. Like I always tell people, when you have plan against an amigo, before you get there, you will stumble. I always say it on my video. It backfire. I am free. I mean, look at this place right now. Huh? So I am not. People say, "Oh, he's going out with with police, bodyguard." Do I have anybody here now? Nobody. These people here are my members. They are poor citizens. These are my family. These are people that I embrace. That is the fact. So, my brother, stop lying. I want to clear one thing. I have never run for any political office. Never. I was going to run for local government, but Oshomole do not allow it to take place. During the time of local government, when they suspended all local government, I did not run. I just pretended. So you can see a lot of fallacy. If I run in any political office, may not lose election where do not buy it. May not run for a chairman or local government. But he might run. No, we more about he run. Why are you lying on me? I've never run. If I run in any political office, I will win because we are the majority. We the poor are the majority. I took you as my own little brother. I mean, you want to help Edo State? Call me. Let's help Edo State. We don't care. We don't segregate anybody. We are not here for segregation. You know what I'm saying? Anyone want to help Edo State, I'm open. Come. If you want to help Nigeria, Iranomigo is ready. Come, let us do it together. Provided you do not say you want to help and you'll be taking money from behind. You got to be corruption zero free. No corruption. You will have a little job like I'm doing. We can ask for donation worldwide. If you want to run for office, I can call on all members, 10 euro. 10 euro times 1,000, that is money. I love you, my brother. I love you. I'm not against anybody. I'm not trying to put anybody in trouble, but I'm just trying to protect myself and my members and my brothers. So let us do what we gotta do to help Edo State, help Nigeria. You can understand me when people say come home. I keep telling them, I have a step. When you have a child, your child will sit down, he will start crying, he will start standing, then he will start walking. So I cannot bring military. I cannot say, oh, I am going to lead the military later on. You are not military. No, I will not put anybody in harm's way. No, I'm not going to do it. So for Police Commissioner Gwandu, or they say Iranomigo is sorting, who is Commissioner Gwandu? That useless man. Who is he? Who is Gwandu? Gwandu knows me very well. So I don't care about Police Commissioner Gwandu. I don't care about Idris. The only people I care about are the poor citizens. I'm afraid of my own brothers, the poor citizens, not useless Commissioner Gwandu. Who is he? Take Commissioner Gwandu to come to America. Let me humiliate him. I will humiliate him. I'll put him in jail one day, even if it's 2 hours, provided he went there. I will put you. You know how to frame? You come. You are a terrorist. Commissioner Gwandu is a terrorist. Anyone that is chasing you, what do you call it? You know, a terrorist. Huh? Some people is not educated. When you tell somebody, oh, if you are not coming to this, you are a terrorist. You are terrorizing everywhere. You are a terrorist. Not someone that is protesting. What concerns protesting are terrorists? So sometimes we got to educate ourselves. I want unity for Edo. I want all Edo to unite. Edo is the most underdeveloped state, right? Underdeveloped state. You know, oppression is everywhere. Oshobule will not let anyone grow. So I will take permission of this. When I was in Benin, I'm just going to take permission to say it. I was in Benin. There was a local government chairman. I was in the caucus when they were holding that meeting, APC. Everybody will say it's pulling crowd, it's pulling crowd, it's pulling crowd, pulling crowd. I say, who is this person that is pulling crowd? I was not even what I'm doing now. You know what I'm saying? They say, Osaro Obase. They say, it's pulling crowd. That boy will be a star. So people will say, a star. I was there. But I never knew tomorrow I will meet his own brother. Then I said, what are you people talking about? Someone that is pulling crowd. He's not paying people to gather. Why can't you allow this man to grow? That is exactly what I said that day. That is why I left APC. Many reasons. Because of that, they suspended all local government because of Osaro Obase. Osaro Obase is not my friend. I met him one time in the CP office. Is that not what I said yesterday? Osaro Obase is not my friend. But I happen to know his brother now. Which I am happy. These are the young stars we need in Edo State. These are the young stars. Why do you want to just destroy someone's career because of your greed? Political career. APC, whatever now. APC. Here one win the court, you will win. I work a little one win. I was around about a win. My mama was there. I will tell you I told your name. The man was there. Anyway, even when I was trying to bring medical equipment, they asked me to call Osaro Obase. People call me where he or what they with business. You know, when I business, if not, you're one. Yeah, I'm going to if you're told me, no, mammy, I'm worried. That is the fact. I know how many millions I wasted for nothing. You know what I'm saying? If a high-ranking law enforcement officer can introduce you to Osaro Obase and a politician will come and destroy his name, who is me that they will not destroy their name then? Everybody knows me. I have been on my own since 2002. I have made my name. I have made my name. So these people that just rise overnight, it doesn't mean they're going to be on top forever. Who can tell me who will be the richest man among all of us here? Can anybody say it? Where are you? Now, why are you to Can you imagine? Well, if somebody is in camp, does that mean that his life is over? That is the pain I'm having. When I was trying to come to Europe, how many times? 5 times. I didn't make it. People are saying now, oh, it's opportunist. Or what about really you just go to abroad. Get your fact right. I will not even reply that one because thank you. This is for more than almost 20 years I've not met him. This is the first time we are meeting. My brother, let us work and instead of you to be fighting political cabals, you have wasted your time fighting around me who have never been in any government office, who have never embezzled money. Look at Aunchi Lokoja Road, Abuja Road. I spoke about it the other day. I heard that governor when I heard and do photo shoot. What garden photo shoot? You go and tie that road. I'm happy you said it's not a federal road, it's Nigerian road. Go ahead and do it. If Obaseki tie that road, I will clap for you. I will say Obaseki, you have done a very good job. Tie that road. Tie that road. When I'm going to Abuja, I don't have to fly. Huh? What am I doing here? Did I tell you to tie my father road? Huh? I didn't tell you to build that for me. Toledo, it just become a problem. Why we make when you're there? Huh? Can you imagine? Why would someone who have never been in office, you have never signed a paycheck, a salary one day, you become a security provider? What kind of security provider? Security provider that have no check and balance. After they pay you, you will send other boys to go and relay them. Because of my man, there was no killing. I don't try. But you are the giver, you are the taker. That is the new scam that is going on in Nigeria now. So if you go to Nigeria, you want someone to protect you, be careful. Be careful. It's only God can protect human being. Only God Almighty. That is the truth. So brothers and sisters, if you are there, instead of you to waste your time on an amigo, I am begging you, waste it to save children in Libya. There are children in camp who want paper. For the protesting tomorrow, it's not going to be held because they said it's going to take 3 days to get a permit. As you all understand, I doesn't do things illegally. But what I'm going to do, I'm going to the embassy tomorrow by myself. I'm going to go there and negotiate with them. If they can stop all those money they are collecting, there will be no protesting. If they refuse to listen to me, then 2 months time, I will bring a mega protester. So in 2 months time, I will be there. And they were ready. How many people donate car yesterday? About 3. You donated bus, the other one donated, the other one donated. People are ready. This is not London. This is not corrupt London. This is Madrid. These people know what poverty tastes like. We are not at Jebo. We don't get time for all those rich men children. When no one greets us, now money don't come. You want marry an amigo. You know what I'm saying? Now money come. You are running over me. Where were you when I was working in Orion local government? When I was in the village farming, the other one called me a villager. A villager now is better than you. I'm a villager. Yeah, we were just going around and saying, where some may you make now? Some may want me now. See, not a song. Some may want you now. Here we go, benefit me and I will stop. They don't know what to do. So, brothers and sisters, I love everyone. Those that are insulting me, continue to insult me. Your insult is a prayer on me. Because before it gets to me, God will change it. If you want to be popular, just call me to call on your show. I will call you. People will watch you. Instead of you destroying yourself here and there, you know, I love my people. You know, PFM is not going anywhere. It's not going anywhere. We are growing. It's not going anywhere. PFM was not found in Nigeria. It was not found in London. It's only what is found in Nigeria will not go nowhere. PFM, remember that dollar, in God we trust, is still #1. So, you know, PFM was founded in Dallas, Texas, United States of America. You know what I'm saying? So, ain't nobody business. You know, President Trump cannot stop no goddamn PFM. I'm being honest. Anybody can watch it. I don't care. I don't care about them. It's my president. I respect him. So, but nobody can stop it. You know what I'm saying? It's only God Almighty. So, If you want to work with me, you say when about Doledo, now I'm bringing the challenge. Let's fit Benin. Okay, let's say for 91 years, let's do what we call citizen security. Anybody that will find murder in Benin, we all will work together and find the perpetrator who is responsible for it. It's a challenge, yes, for the killing. This is a challenge to Tony Kabaka. You join. Jaguar, anyone knows Boba will do. Nala, do you support that one? Do you support that one? Whether maybe these are your brothers, these are your brother. You know what I mean? This guy sitting here, they are your brother. Let's work together. Anyone that kill anyone, let us use one as a scapegoat, and let that rumor go from Benin to Lagos. Say, if you keep person for Benin, Benin people will unite. They will bring you out to justice. If Papa and Mama go carry and give, we will go give her to police. We will tell police, if you eat any money there, you will suffer. The only case I have involving, I'm not supposed to say this, was that guy that they killed in Italy. That is the only case PFM are involving. The guy they killed in Italy, you all remember him. Okay, where are those guys that killed him? They are gone. They are gone. They went to jail and they are gone. That is called justice. That is called justice. So that person will never kill another one tomorrow. So before you go and kill somebody, God forbid, I'm sitting down now. Someone will call me my member, one of my members. Now so knife cutter. Who I go say? I'll say Tony. Because it's the only person who can get problem. So if you don't want your name to be there, let's work together and unite the whole Benin. Now mama, I'm a poma. I bury I do high. Now mama, it was a dossier, but it was a do. So mama coma. So Eranomigo is not here to fight with anybody. I am here to fight corruption. I want to join Muhammad Buhari. I have been calling on Muhammad Buhari. I am fighting his cause. And people have called me to be patient. That is in New York. So I've received the call. I'm going to be patient. So maybe when he gets to Nigeria, he will now say, okay, come and join me and fight the fight. Abi, we will fight it. Me, I'm not interested in the governorship. Except if Obaseki did not do well. And I did not find anyone that want to contest. I will not leave it. If you are interested in any political office, please contact People Freedom Movement. We don't care if you are APC or PDP. We don't care. We will sanitize you. We will sanitize you. If you are a corrupt leader, we will take you. We will know our justice. We will disgrace you. We will humiliate you. We will prosecute you. Disgrace. You know, Amigo is good at disgracing people. I will disgrace you. You will be crying like a little baby. I didn't beat you, not with bad. You'll be crying. You'll be making 3 videos a day. You'll be making 4 videos in 3 days. And you have not made a video since how many months? But now every day you are making video. You are crying. You want people to have sympathy for you. When the man was bad to folk, but that when I have a boy, now I find my way. I want to get one at Boma, no, get one at Yoma, no, get one at Boma. Then you see my year, you might now you need to go on half your body. Now, I will tell you, but you have your body. You might have body boy, you won't. Yeah, you won't, yeah, won't. What you say there, and I baby with salary. If you know what we done, near do turn up. If I were at here, hey, you are a self. Hey, now that they be. Where what beg is you? So, I love my people. You see, I have been sick for a little bit. I have a cough. I don't want people to think it's something big. It was my cameraman that gave it to me. Then I have a kata. It was my PRO. PRO gave me kata. No way. So, my PRO is laughing. So, he gave me kata. So, it's not something major. My brother, we love you guys, you know. We love you. We love you. Let us.
State President.
Thank you. God bless you. So, we are here in what do you call it? Farah Braga.
Farah Brother Imam Bar.
Farah Brother, yeah. So in Madrid, here in Madrid, you know what I'm saying? So I want to thank those at United States. May God bless you. Please, President Muhammad Buhari, whatever you can do right now where you are, go ahead, leave Nnamdi Kanu alone. Just leave that man alone, you know. So leave him alone. But I regret it that children are dying. Innocent are dying. You know, you cannot form a military when you have no weapons. So this is a lesson to anyone in the South. Whenever the Southerners, they want to do uprising, they will crush them. They don't fight back. That is why I love the North. If you kill one person in the North, it will be war. Only one person, it will be war. They will use anything. They will use suicide bombs. They will use everything. Everything. But we are so peaceful. They will use arrow on you. Can you go and kill an officer and send a military? Why can't those military parade at Boko Haram area?
Okay.
That is a question. Why can't they parade Boko Haram? Because they know that the Hausa does not tolerate oppression. That is why I love Hausa people. I love them. So that is the truth. But we, the Southerners, when they just come, we'll drop our weapon, we'll just surrender. And that is why they keep beating us like any other thing. So I thank God that God of America, God Almighty, is with us. So I want to thank Fred, even though they didn't get the permit. I want to thank him. I want to thank Robosa, my brother. I want to thank you all. You want to say hello to them?
Yeah. Just have a little advice for us. Please, let's join hands with this PFM so that we can fight this corruption together. Stop fighting our president, please. He's not doing it for himself. He's doing it for everybody. Please, he's living a good life in America. It's not suffering. The family is dead right there. They are enjoying their life. He's trying to help us in Nigeria. We have our family in Nigeria. We that is here in Europe, we are living fine. We have, you can see now, we have light, we have everything. There's air condition here. There's no light failure here. 24 hours, 365 days. You have light here. That is what we are fighting for. That is what PFM is about. Please, stop fighting us. Stop fighting us. Let's join hands together and make Nigeria great again. They say we are giants of Africa. Let us act like one. Please. Stop the killing in those states. Let us have peace so that we that is in Europe, if we are coming to Nigeria, we will have peace. We will sleep with our two eyes closed. Please. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Up PFM.
Freedom for life. So as you can see, I'm about to sign up. You know what I'm saying? I'm going to be broadcasting tomorrow by 9 o'clock right from my hotel room. You know what I mean? On Saturday, if you are in Madrid, you are free to come up and ask any question. So the place is everywhere. You can call Imaba, or there's a number there you can call. Fred number is right there. You can come whatever you want to ask on Saturday. What time is going to start? 4 p.m. 4 p.m. to 7 p.m. Do not be scared because do not be scared. Oh, they no. There's a security there. You know what I did today? I sent my family. I said, you go get the security. I don't want them to say that me I bring police again. So I went there by that is why I sent a PRO and a friend over there. Even though we already dropped our paper, before then. So that is how it's supposed to do. So you got a security, they are not coming for you. They are coming to protect everybody. So we all love you. Good night, everyone. Love you. Please, Edo people. Do not forget fight. Anybody want to offend, I apologize. Let's move on. Papa, Mama, the kid, I apologize. And amigo is good in apology. So let me end it with good luck, Adeboye, right? I need my ticket. Share this video until you get to good luck. Tell good luck to bring my ticket. Because if you want me to like him, you should bring my ticket too. Because you cannot promise and fail. If you did not bring it, I will come back and say the truth. So tell my daughter that is your friend. So two of you send me my ticket. God bless you. No, not from America. You should buy the ticket from US to Holland. That's what he said.
will send the video to Good Luck Direct.
Oh, you will send the video to okay. Somebody said he will send the video to you. So if Good Luck, you say you be prophet. If that prophecy when you say you go buy my ticket, you must buy him. If it don't work, hey, why will I attack you? No way. I'm not ready to attack anybody. I love you. God bless you. Good luck. Stay blessed. All the Edo people that are doing social media, please let us work together and fix Edo State. You know, enough of Iranomigo this, Iranomigo that. So thank these guys for me. PFM for life. God bless you. Love you. Bye.